Most drum sanders sold online are overpriced junk built to fail in months. Pick wrong and you waste $200 and ruin your project. Ever tried a drum sander that actually finishes smooth without gouges? We know the struggle, and this video is here to help you pick right. Today, I'm going to be going over the best drum sander that you can get right now. All of the products mentioned are linked in the description, so check them out if you're interested in any of them. With that, let's begin. At number 5, we have the JWDS 1632 OSC. From the first glance, this sander exudes durability thanks to a heavy-duty steel stand and a robust oscillating drum design. Ideal for cabinet makers, furniture builders, and dedicated hobbyists who require smooth end finishes, precise thickness control, and efficient dust management. The precision-machined and dynamically balanced extruded aluminum drum features a 3/4-inch oscillating stroke and effective heat dissipation. The SandSmart control continuously monitors drum load and automatically regulates the conveyor speed to minimize scratch patterns and maximize finished panel quality. The dust hood features an integrated channel that mirrors the drum shape, guiding chips and dust efficiently to the 4-inch collection port. The conveyor bed parallelism is adjustable with a simple external dial, allowing precise alignment without any tools, saving setup time. Separate feed and drum motors provide independent control, which helps optimize sanding results and extend belt life by balancing load. Ceramic belt trackers maintain belt alignment and minimize the need for frequent manual adjustments during long sanding sessions. In practice, the oscillating drum moves left to right, reducing visible scratch marks and extending abrasive paper life through consistent feed. The patent-pending hood design achieves an impressive 97% dust extraction rate, keeping the workshop cleaner and improving finish quality. With the toolless bed adjustment and sturdy stand, setup and routine maintenance become straightforward tasks even in busy shop environments. Compared to a grisly oscillating drum sander, the JWDS model offers crisper dust control and smoother oscillation. The pros include heavy-duty construction, efficient dust extraction, and independent feed and drum motors. The cons include a higher price and a larger footprint. At number 4, we have the JWDS 1020. The machine sports a heavy-duty die-cast aluminum and steel body that delivers exceptional rigidity for consistently precise sanding results. Infinitely variable speed control allows the operator to tailor feed rate for different species and finishes, delivering consistent results across tasks. Toolless abrasive take-up fasteners streamline changing abrasives, minimizing downtime between sizes and keeping projects flowing smoothly. The extruded aluminum drum is designed to dissipate heat and protect the work surface from heat damage. A precision flattened reinforced steel conveyor bed supports boards as they pass under the sanding drum for uniform contact and even results. An open-ended design permits up to 20 inches of sanding capacity with 2 passes, enabling wide boards and efficient stock removal. Its compact benchtop footprint fits snugly in small shops while still delivering industrial-grade performance and durability. A patented dust hood funnels debris to a 4-inch dust port, simplifying connection to a dust collection system. Adjusting the table back to parallel is convenient with just the turn of a dial, ensuring accurate alignment before each pass. The control system includes an integrated circuit breaker to protect the motor from overheating during extended sanding sessions. In real-world testing, boards up to 3 inches thick and 20 inches wide yielded smooth faces with minimal grain tear when fed steadily. In direct comparison with a grisly benchtop sander, the JWDS 1020 offers superior heat management and greater sanding width. The pros include solid build quality, infinitely variable speed control, and 20-inch sanding capacity. The cons include heavier weight for a benchtop unit and higher price. At number 3, we have the JWDS 1632 OSC. From the first glance, the SandSmart control system impresses by continuously monitoring drum load and automatically regulating conveyor speed for consistent finishes. The dust hood integrates a channel mirroring the drum shape and directs chips to the 4-inch collection port for cleaner operation. The drum is a precision-machined and dynamically balanced extruded aluminum unit, delivering a 3/4-inch oscillating stroke for even material contact. The infinitely variable speed control lets you dial the feed rate up to 10 feet per minute for consistently smooth finishes. The conveyor bed parallelism adjusts quickly with an external dial, no tools required, delivering repeatable alignment and faster setup. Conveyor belt trackers made from ceramic guides minimize drift and reduce the need for manual belt adjustments during long sanding sessions. A separate feed motor and drum motor provide independent control, optimizing sanding performance by balancing feed rate with drum motion. The patent-pending hood design extracts 97% of the dust the sander creates, significantly reducing airborne debris. In real-world testing, the exclusive left-to-right oscillating drum minimizes visible scratch patterns and prolongs abrasive paper life. The dust hood mirrors the drum shape for efficient chip removal and seamless connection to a 4-inch port. The heavy-duty steel stand provides solid support and contributes to long-term reliability in demanding shop environments. Compared with a typical grizzly oscillating drum sander, the Jet model offers stronger dust control and more precise parallelism. The pros include strong build, excellent dust control, and toolless adjustments. The cons include higher price and larger footprint. At number 2, we have the Sunxeke Sanding Drum Kit. This review targets hobbyists and professionals who frequently work with wood, metal, and plastics, seeking efficient edges and consistently smooth finishes. The Sunxeke kit emphasizes build quality with a resin-bonded aluminum oxide sleeve system and rigid rubber drums to minimize vibration. Its sleeve assortment includes 24 2-inch sleeves spanning multiple grits, while 4 rubber drums provide versatile matching diameters. The set also delivers 150 additional sanding sleeves, 12 mandrels in 3 common shank sizes, and 9 assorted sanding bits. A practical benefit is the expanding drum design that automatically secures sleeves during rotation, eliminating adhesive clamps and costly tooling. With 1/4-inch shanks, the kit remains compatible with most drills and rotary tools for broad job site versatility. Real-world use demonstrates precise smoothing on curved profiles and edges without creating chatter or deep gouges, delivering professional-grade finishes. The kit finally shines when you compare its breadth of accessories against nominal 4-piece kits from budget brands. In testing, 60, 80, and 120 grit sleeves paired with the rubber drums produce controlled finishes on wood and plastic. Compared with a typical budget drum sander kit, the Sunxeke set offers more sleeves, mandrels, and bits to tackle diverse projects. The pros include robust construction, expansive accessory selection, and the expanding drum design. The cons include higher price and heavier weight. Storage and organization come with a sturdy box that keeps every sleeve drum mandrel and bit neatly accessible for frequent use. Safety reminders emphasize wearing goggles and a dust mask while mounting and operating at high speeds to protect eyes and lungs. At number 1, we have the JEWDS 1632. This redesigned drum sander targets woodworkers and shop professionals seeking precise finishing, stable operation, and reliable dust management. The extruded aluminum drum is precision machined and dynamically balanced to dissipate heat, while the open stand provides solid footing and casters-ready versatility. The stand offers a 20-inch by 37-inch footprint for stability, plus a convenient storage shelf and pre-drilled caster holes. SandSmart continuously monitors drum load and automatically adjusts conveyor speed to maximize feed rate while preventing overload during tough finishing tasks. A relative depth scale on the handwheel lets you reset and measure exact material removal for repeatable results across projects. The infinitely variable speed control reaches up to 10 feet per minute, enabling fine-tuning of feed rate for soft or dense woods. Compared with the Grizzly drum sander, the JWDS 1632 offers steadier dust collection and simpler parallelism adjustments in practice. The pros include a sturdy build, excellent dust collection performance, and remarkably simple parallelism adjustments for repeatable results. The cons include a higher price point compared to compact drum sanders and a substantial footprint that requires a spacious workshop. The dust hood features a patented integrated channel mirroring the drum profile to direct chips toward the 4-inch collection port. The aluminum drum is precision machined and dynamically balanced to dissipate heat, sustaining performance through lengthy sessions without motor drift. Stand is designed with a broad footprint and pre-drilled holes for casters, increasing versatility in portable setups around the workshop. For professionals and ambitious hobbyists, the adjustable conveyor bed parallelism dial and precise removal depth support cabinet making and fine furniture edges.